Hi, I'm Arnold from Spartakus Technologies. Today I want to talk about the importance of MRO Inventory Management and how it can impact your operations. MRO inventory includes the supplies, spare parts, and material essential for your routine maintenance, repairs, and operations. MRO management is not just about having supplies on hand. It's about strategically managing inventory levels to ensure that the right materials are available without excessive overstock. This involves defining parts criticality and also setting optimal min-max inventory level. By managing these thresholds effectively, you can prevent production delays, minimize carrying costs, and reduce waste. Effective MRO inventory management provides several key benefits. First of all, it will reduce inventory costs by reducing unnecessary parts, storage costs, and the carrying cost. It will also make sure that you have the right amount of stock on hand, avoiding both shortage and overstock situation. And ultimately, third point, it will ensure an inventory precision of 95% or more maintained in the CMMS. We follow a precise approach to optimize your MRO inventory. First, data collection. This is where we gather essential data, including item costs, delivery delays, consumption rates, and impact on production. Afterwards, second step, we will define part criticality. We will apply ABC classification to determine the criticality of each part. Once we have the criticality, third step, we will optimize the min-max level of each part. Ultimately, we can perform this exercise on a specific asset, on a specific area, or throughout the whole plant. By the end of a partnership, you'll receive two things: the parts criticality list, and also within that list, the optimized min-max level for each part. If you're looking to decrease your inventory costs and improve the efficiency of your inventory management, let's connect and discuss how our services can help you achieve these goals.